Jade, you want to do your...
Did you guys read the book? You did not?
I did.
No, the truth. Dad, can I have the red one, Dad? The red.
So, anyways, Mom.
Oh, wow. I thought this thingy is really one. Be nice now. Jelana. Jelana? You're tired? Are you tired? You wanna go na night now? Nee! Don't put it in the doggy.
I want you to vacuum. Yeah, I want you to.
Do you want me to read you a book?
No, Jade. Then on Monday. No. Please take care of Jelana. I don't know what I'm with that.
Jade, she wants you.
Yes, piggy girl. I want Jelana after you.
Jade can...
No, you didn't. I just.
She did not read. You want Julene? She need to read the book.
Call your bestie.
Jade, can you... Even if you read it, if you don't play with your sister, then no. Just play a little bit.
This is never gonna be fulfilled. This is why I never like being with Jelana because you're always whines. What can I buy? I don't know what to buy.
Just buy.
Buy money? Can I buy $20?
What you want?
What?
What you want?
I want the vibrating bowl.
Oh yeah, she want that. That's a meditation bowl.
A meditation bowl.
Yeah.
How much money is it?
Give the meditation bowl. Oh. No. She didn't do it. It fell. Hello, hello.
This is why I don't like playing because you break.
Here you go. Jade, here's your meditation bowl.
Where does it have the hammer too?
Yeah, complete. Okay.
Mommy.
No, put it on top. Put it on top. Give her the money.
I don't know what to.
Just pretend. Just give the money.
No, wait.
Oh.
Yeah, it vibrates. See? Okay, do it.
Wait. Watch me. You have to do this. Not left.
Oh no.
Good. No more. You do it now. No more. I did no more. You do it now. No, don't do it. It get hotter.
It get hotter.
It does?
Yeah. As Jelana, it got hotter. Go in the kitchen and read loud than that.
I don't want to play game.
I want to.
Go in the kitchen.
You play. Pay me.
It's a little. Everything. Kind of. I want you. No. Oh yeah. I don't want anything.
That's pretty cool, huh?
I want your heart.
Hit the outside. Tink.
That annoys me so much.
Have Daddy show it. Julene, bring it to Daddy.
Just turn around and I'll show you how you vibrate it.
Just show it, Daddy, and then she just show you one time.
Now hit the side. So we hit once, other one inside.
I want the yellow sleeper.
Now hit the outside over there.
That's meditation. You meditate.
If you do it kind of the outside and hum.
The hum?
Show Daddy. Daddy.